This is going to be a video tutorial on how to browse in private mode on the LinkedIn app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To browse in private mode on LinkedIn, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now on the Settings page, I'm going to go down to where it says Visibility and tap on Visibility. And then the top thing down here, Visibility when viewing other profiles. As you can see, I currently have mine set to private, but I'm going to tap on that. Gives you three different options. It says select what others see when you viewed their profile. Do you want them to see your name and headline? Do you want them to see private profile characteristics about you? Or do you want to browse in private mode? As you can see, I have mine turned on private mode. But that is how to browse in private mode on the LinkedIn app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.